Hey all, so a few people have been asking me how I fitted this spoiler on the Super Car XXL, Super Sport XL, YSA 021 ride-on car. So I'm going to try and show you very quickly. Apologies for the mess of the garage. I'd normally take this out to film, but it's currently raining, so you can see this bracket here. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this now very quickly just to show you where you need to make some adjustments to make it fit onto the car quickly.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream. Live it right, that's the thing.
Right, so once the screws are removed, you'll notice that I've had to move some of these notches. So as standard, the bracket will come with this notch here and this bolt here. You need to move it forward a couple of centimeters, this one to about there, okay, on the back, and then this side, once again, move that hole a bit more towards this central part, move that notch. You could cut here as well if you wanted. I really couldn't be bothered, to be honest with you. I didn't need to, it still fits on. Then measure up from here to this bracket. So from this bracket to this bracket, find the center point, and that's where you want the center point to be on the car. Okay, now these brackets, you need to drill one small hole through the car, bolt them through. You can reach up under here and do the nuts up. It's tight, it's doable, and then fit them on and pretty much bolt it back in place. That's it really. It's quite a simple fitment. There's no real major adjustments needed apart from I can probably show you the grooves a bit better actually now. Look at that, bit better lighting. So there you go. So you're just moving it more into this central area here, just a little bit. Yeah, it's not difficult. Make sure it's the same size hole, so you can use the same size bolt. If you want to use different bolt, drill a different size hole. That there is just where the nut that's just here sits. So you can see one there and one there. They just sit in there, so it's just easier to tighten those up then when you put it on. That's it really. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. Cheers all, bye.